Hey guys, it is Monday, February the 5th. Hope everybody had a great weekend. I'm sorry I'm late on the video, but I had a couple things going on. I actually had been messaging back and forth with some people who chatted over the weekend, or commented over the weekend, I guess, through my email, and had several questions, and so I had to go online with them to kind of explain it instead of emailing back and forth. So it took longer than what I expected it would. But anyway, we'll get into it. The pound dollar 1 hour here we're looking at, it has made a 1 hour buy signal. We're now below the yearly pivot, so there should be a buy opportunity coming up here right now if it isn't here right now. Low risk trade. It's low on the arrows. It's 125.18 basically, and we're at 32, so that's 14 plus 4 on the spread. $18 risk to get in right now. Remember, this is just for trading, for education purposes only. Take trades at your own risk. So we have to say that, get that out of the way. You know how that is. Aussie dollar has made a 1 hour buy signal as well. Now there's Aussie news tonight at 10:30 Eastern time in the US, so that's going to affect the Aussie. Anything tied to the Aussie dollar, odd yen, odd CAD, odd Swiss, pound odd, euro odd, CAD odd, all those are going to be affected by this Aussie tonight, which is in actually about 5.5 hours from now. And that's big news, so just be careful if you're in any of those trades, because that is a low risk trade right now, but we could push lower as we got a support down here about 150 away. Actually, it's less than that away. So it could get a bounce down to there. We could turn up to here right now before the news comes out. The pound CAD 1 hour is in a buy, 1 hour buy as well. I think we're a ways away from, yeah, we're actually 200 away from its yearly pivot, which is kind of looking like that may be where we're heading. But there's no buy set up right here right now, because the risk is, no, it gapped down here at 5 o'clock, so it decreases the risk down to about 25 or 26, so that's a little interesting there on a potential buy on the pound CAD. Pound yen is in a buy, and we're looking for a pullback somewhere down in here to get in, so nothing to do on the pound yen. Euro New Zealand is in a sell on the 1 hour. It's kind of run away, no chance to get in. It's got to pull up back up into here to get in for a sale, so there's nothing to do on the Euro New Zealand. Pound New Zealand, same picture. Now there was the opportunity to get in on the pound New Zealand. Euro New Zealand didn't give that. That one did. So it's pulling back into the buy. We're looking for a opportunity somewhere down in here to possibly get in and go long. It's not there yet, so there's nothing to do but wait. New Zealand yen is in a 1 hour buy. We're looking for a push up into here for a sell opportunity. So there's nothing to do there yet. I mean, it'd have to come down into here for a buy. So there's still both ways. There's a good ways to go. So there's nothing to do on the New Zealand yen. The Euro Aussie pulled up into the sell right there. That would have been your opportunity to take off half the position, move your stop, and you'd be in good shape right now on the Euro Aussie. The Euro CAD has made a 1 hour buy, but it has run away. See, that's nothing to do on the Euro CAD. We've got to have a pullback back down into here to get the buy opportunity. So there's nothing to do on the Euro CAD. The pound Aussie was in a sell. It sold off. It came back up, give you a second opportunity to get in short. You would have taken off half your position now. Which on a lot of these I've already done. I am not into anything except for the Aussie dollar and the pound dollar longs. That's all I'm in right now. So that would have been the opportunity on that. The CAD yen 1 hour sell is kind of ran away too. Got to have a pullback up into here for the sell, or a pullback back down into here for the buy. So there's nothing to do on the CAD yen. Euro yen 1 hour buy. I think this went up to the sell. No, it hasn't. So the buy, there was your buy opportunity right there, which I was able to get in last week. Moved up, got stopped out over here. I should have got it in there. I know better, because that's the extreme right there for resistance. And I should have known better. I just had to go ahead and take off. It would have saved me some money, but that's okay. I made money, so it's all right. And last, Aussie yen is in a 1 hour buy. It ran away, no chance to get in. I need a pullback down in here. Remember, it's got news tonight, so I'm looking for a buy in here, or the sell has got a ways to go. Yes, it does. Got a ways to go. So I only can get a buy in here right now. I'd have to really explode to the upside to be able to get a sell. So you're talking about 100 pips from right here, which it could do with that news for a sell opportunity. But then I'm looking for a buy opportunity somewhere down in here, and that could happen on the news tonight. So keep your eyes on those. Anything tied to the Aussie. For those of you who had some new subscribers, for those of you who did subscribe over the weekend, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Like I've always said, I'm not trying to get Taylor Swift subscriber numbers. I just like to have subscribers to subscribe, and that just lets me know that I'm helping somebody, because that's what it's supposed to be all about anyway, right? Unlike what's on YouTube, because it's all about them, because they continually push trying to get subscribers and likes and all that stuff. Because I've even heard several of them say that if they didn't, get to 1,000 likes, they weren't going to put out any more information. So I would have thought, hey, it's supposed to be about, helping people instead of trying to get a check from YouTube. If I get that, great. If I don't, that's great too. I make my money doing trading, so it's not that big a deal. I just really like subscribers and likes, because then it just makes me feel better that I'm helping somebody. That's all it does. So I appreciate those who have, and for those who haven't, if you would subscribe, when you do, you're also going to have to click on the notify me, and YouTube will notify you when I have a video that comes out next. And that's the easiest way, really, to be able to find out instead of keeping to search. So we'll have another video tomorrow. It'll be on time, as usual. And we should have movement going either tonight. There's going to be moves on stuff tonight or tomorrow. And I'm in just 2 right now, but there's going to be more either tonight or tomorrow, depends on what happens with the news. And then Tuesday's usually the big mover day. That's when everything starts, is on Tuesday. So that's what I'm expecting for the week. So we will have another video out tomorrow. This one's being recorded. It will be posted in about 20 minutes for you to watch. If you have any questions or comments, just feel free to go to the video. Underneath the video, put your question or comment in, and I'll get back to you pretty quick. Usually it's pretty quick. So I hope everybody has a good rest of the night, and please be careful on your Aussie dollar trades. If you're in any of that, anything tied to the Aussie, please be careful on those. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.